24/12 sharp, 24 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 12 inches high. It's a sharp Fanuc control, series OIMC. MC means that it has the card reader up front. Right up here to the left side is the card reader. Try to open him. There it is, card reader. And it still has the 232, and it has the MPG wheel, which is nice when you're going to do your touch-off work. I believe this is a 2004 machine. We're going to run it here in a minute. Nice machine. Some of this I was looking at earlier, those are just shadows. It's a little dirty, but this thing's a nice clean machine, good machine. We only use it for prototyping. We had another one in here. I'm going to show you the 10 tool changer, the air can in back, air canister that holds air. So the changer, they improved the tool changer on this one. The MC's better than the OI Mate MB. Okay, let's run him here a minute. I just moved the Z up just so we can run it. It's gonna go through a tool change, and I believe it was cutting out a box. The two vices do not go with it. I'm going to show you the controller next with this running through its programs. Set it to 10 tool changer over here. Nice machine, everything's strong. This is a boxway machine, weighs a couple ton. This is nothing like some of your other little mini mills. I don't even consider this a mini mill, the way this thing hogs. Said box weighs. It's a good machine. Remember, it's all Fanuc controlled too, and I like those pieces of equipment. Easy to work on. You're going to see some of that around back. Hopefully I'll remember to open up the electric cabinet. It's all clean. Clean as can be. I just got this changing out 2 tools. Okay, let's run him again and watch the screen. I'll take you through some of the different program features on it that you can go to change it. Program button over here. Okay, we hit on it and we can change the way the program looks to you in the G&M code. Here we go. I pushed it. I can push it again. I think it'll show itself 3 different ways, I think. Let me try that again. Yes, it shows itself 3 different ways. However you like to run it. There's going through a tool change. I like to where it tells you where you're at and what's going to go on and what's next to happen. And down here it has the RPMs, what tool you're in. It's a pretty doggone nice machine. I run it. It's only done prototyping. It's done very little bit of production. Very little. Okay, keep that there. Remember, it's an MC. Nicer machine. It's about to change out the tool, went home. Okay, let's go around back here. We'll see that canister I was telling you about on our way back. Don't forget, this comes with it, your whey oil. Keeps the oil out of the coolant, cleans it out of there. Comes with it. It was extra, but you can have it. Here's the canister I was telling you about. It's an air canister. The other machine I had, this identical machine, OIMB, and the tool would not change once in a while till the air was exactly right. It still worked okay, but this thing's improved it, and it has a constant air pressure off of your air machine, which makes it all the nicer. Back here in the electrical cabinet, been in here, it is clean. That is all completely clean in here. Over here is the other cabinet, electrical in it. All that's clean in there. The only thing this thing's got on it right now is fingerprints. Could be cleaned up better. Your doors open up to work with bigger work in here. You can see your chip conveyor. Nice chip conveyor. Works fine. I'll run the conveyor even too. Let's run it once. We're back up front. Remember, you got the MPG wheel, which is cool for setting up your doing your tool touch-offs. Okay, your conveyor right here. Stays on one way and doesn't stay on the other on purpose. Okay, I don't know if it's showing that it runs or not, that you can see it running. It is working right now. That's one direction. take it to the next direction. There's a reason that it doesn't stay on right now. I think it's not programmed to stay on. You put that in the program itself to tell the conveyor to come on every so often. There's your tool changer buttons, your lighting. This is a nice machine. It will hog if you want to hog with it. It's clean. We've kept this very nice. You really don't want to sell it. I've been trying to job for more work and not finding any work out there for it. So if you got to work for it, I'm going to sell it, and we'll help load this machine. There might be a small charge to loading it, but we'll have her cleaned up and ready to rock and have it for the truck that you got to get her to you. I'd like a guy to come before he buys it to come see it run. That way he'd be happy as can be. It's a good machine. This is Paul, 812-663-6311. Give me a call if you're interested. Thank you much. Bye.